How to delete your Twitter account permanently. Hello everyone, it's Anna here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open the Twitter app. Now, after opening the Twitter app, simply click on your profile in the top left corner. After opening up your profile, click on the options Setting and Support. Here in the below you can see Settings and Privacy, simply click on that. Here in the top you can see the option Your Account, click there. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the option of the deactivate account. Simply click on that. We will get you this page if we want to deactivate our Twitter account permanently now. Our Twitter account will be deactivated for a period of 30 days, and if you change your mind, you can simply log into this account and reactivate your Twitter account. So let's tap on this deactivate button. Now they will ask us to type our Twitter password in order to verify that it's us. After typing the password, your Twitter account will be deleted for a period of 30 days, and if you don't reactivate your account in the 30 days, you will lose your account permanently. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing off until next time. Thank you.